Have you ever dreamt of lounging by the infinity pool in a private villa or skiing down the slopes at one of the top-rated ski resorts in the world? Or better yet, getting a relaxing massage at a beach resort while making $100 or more a day without needing to clock in? Does it sound too good to be true? It is, if you keep yourself stuck in the rat race. You are the artist of your life, so don't give the paintbrush to anyone else. Design your ideal lifestyle now. Thank you again for tuning in to our life-changing and wealth-building videos. In today's video, we will talk about passive income, a brief background about cryptocurrency, how you can use it as a source of passive income, and finally, how to achieve a passive income lifestyle. You might be asking, why do I need passive income to design my ideal lifestyle? Well, would you like to live life like the one I mentioned at the beginning of this video? Or do you want to live life like most people do, forced to get out of bed by their annoying alarm clock? Get stuck in rush hour. Spend 8 hours in the office shuffling documents that don't add value to their lives, then spend more time in rush hour? Oh, then do it again the next day. If you have a passive income, your money continues to grow while pursuing your passions, spending quality time with family and friends, exploring new places, picking up new skills, immersing yourself in a different culture, and meeting new people. Having passive income is like payday every day. Unlike your 9-to-5 job, where you have to work long hours day after day before you receive your paycheck. Which kind of life do you want to lead? The answer is obvious. We all want to make money while living life to the fullest. So, let money work for you. You don't have to wait for your 401k before you can have this kind of lifestyle. Why wait for your retirement years when you can enjoy life now? In Tim Ferriss's book, The 4-Hour Workweek, a new group of people lead a different lifestyle from the majority. These people are called the New Rich. Watch to the end of this video and learn how to be a part of this group. Learn how they live their lives differently from others. What is the lifestyle like of the new rich, the ones with passive income? These people are not only enjoying the comforts, but also the luxuries of life. A French poet and novelist, Jean Cocteau, said that luxury is a reward to those who are not afraid of discomforts. Sadly, most people are quick to complain even to the smallest of inconveniences. That's why only a select few, the bold and the courageous, have the privilege to enjoy these luxuries. The following are what makes them different, as described in Tim Ferriss's book. 1. These people hire talented individuals to work for them. They don't work for themselves. Instead, they let others work for them. They are the owners, not the CEOs. 2. They don't wait for retirement to tick off their goals on their bucket list. They squeeze in adventures and quick trips, or as Tim called them, mini retirements in their schedules. If they want to see the Northern Lights, they will just pack up their bags, fly to Alaska, and enjoy the beautiful colors of the Aurora Borealis. If they want to go backpacking in Southeast Asia for a month, they will hit the road the next day. 3. They prefer quality over quantity. Yes, they have tons of money to buy whatever they want, but these material things are just clutter for them. Instead, they prefer to do the things that excite them and develop the skills to become the person they dreamt of becoming. 4. If they choose to work, they have an option to work remotely. Having the freedom to choose when and where you want to work is the real power. Having passive income gives you that power. 5. If they get bored jet-setting from one country to another, they can choose to settle in the countryside and live a laid-back life, or they can go back to their work. The difference is they are not obligated to work. No pressure at all. How are they able to do that? They don't just dream and wait for the universe to magically change their life. They actively design it. They take goal setting to a new level. They use dreamlining. Dreamlining is a concept coined by Tim Ferriss. It means changing your unclear goals to defined steps. Let's say you want to be a great chef. How can you become one? Your defined steps should include taking up a culinary course, reading cookbooks, and subscribing to the blogs or podcasts of famous chefs. These new rich make ambitious, unrealistic goals like visiting every country in the world or having millions in your savings account. If you settle on average goals that are easy to achieve, you won't be motivated enough to give your best, to go out of your comfort zone and try out different things. What source of passive income can help you achieve this kind of lifestyle? There are many ways: business, real estate, stocks, and cryptocurrency. Today, let's talk about cryptocurrency. Without getting into the technical details, the simple meaning is a digital currency or digital coins. By the way, you can check out our other videos about cryptocurrency for more in-depth information about this new currency. See the link in the description box below. You have probably heard of Bitcoin. Bitcoin is the first virtual currency created in January 2009 by Satoshi Nakamoto. Since its inception, there has been thousands of cryptos added to the market. Their popularity is steadily increasing and has captured the attention of the world. Stories of people who have become millionaires from Bitcoin have strongly encouraged others to jump on the crypto bandwagon, hoping to gain huge profits from their investments. However, before you put your money down, always be reminded that risks are inherent in every form of investment. Always, always, always do your homework. Of course, I don't want you to be held back by your fears due to a lack of education. Don't let an excellent opportunity to build wealth slip through your fingers just because you are afraid of the unknown. To overcome that fear of uncertainty, invest in your education and do diligent research. Join a community with crypto enthusiasts and learn as much as you can. To get you started, let me tell you a bit about cryptocurrency. According to CoinMarketCap, the top 5 cryptos in the market are Bitcoin, Ethereum, Tether, Binance Coin, and Cardano. But other cryptos are on the trend, like Dogecoin, HNT, VeChain, and Litecoin. How can you make money with cryptocurrency? How can you use it as a stream of passive income? 1. Buy and hold. Just like real estate investing, you also buy crypto coins and hold them until their value increases. You sell them for a profit when it does. 2. Mining. When crypto was first introduced, mining was the first method to earn crypto coins. Mining means being the fastest to solve a complex mathematical problem, and you will be rewarded with crypto coins. 3. HNT Hotspot. Just buying an HNT hotspot miner and provide a connection for IoT devices. That's all you need to do to earn crypto coins. 4. Receive dividends from cryptocurrency. Dividends mean profit sharing. Some cryptos pay dividends to their holders like VeChain, NEO, Decred, Komodo, and many more. 5. Stake cryptos. Staking cryptos mean that you are making money just by holding a certain amount of crypto coins in your virtual wallet or exchange account for a certain period of time. The longer you hold them in your wallets, the more you earn. Some of these cryptos are Tezos, VeChain, Neo, Cosmos, and Lisk. If you want to know more about ways in making money with crypto, we have a separate video for that. Be sure to check it out. Will you invest in this new currency and make a passive income that can change your current lifestyle? You have to define your ideal lifestyle. Be as specific and descriptive as you can be. Include practical steps on how to achieve that goal. I would love to hear your thoughts about how you are going to design your lifestyle in the comments below. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to give us a like. If you are new to our channel, subscribe now and make sure to click the bell for notifications so you won't miss our future videos. Join our community of wealth builders, and I'll see you in the next video.